Chuck, are you gonna eat any food? Here, let's close that door. Let's close that door. It's time to eat. Okay. You gonna taste it? You want me to show you what it tastes like? Good. You almost got it. Look. Now it's your turn. You almost got it. Hey. You had some more? Good. You want some more? That's what it tastes like. Now you just gotta get food on it, bud. Here. Get food on it. You want Mama's spoon? You want Mama's spoon? You want to eat with Mama's spoon? Here you go. Yeah, you can use Mama's spoon. You gonna eat? What is that? Is that food? Squash? Take a bite of it? It's good. It's food. Another bite? Ooh, just threw that, didn't you? Here you go. Here, you want another bite, bud? Look, here. You give it to yourself. Slimy? Frustrated?